Whether you have a lot of content or just a little bit, Tovuti can help you manage it. Tovuti gives you the ability to upload videos, PDFs, and presentations to the platform. Administrators can access a file system that can be customized to make organizing your media simple. From there, you can publish your content and permission it out to whoever you want to access it, whenever you want them to access it. Tovuti also provides analytics on videos. This enables you to see who's watched a video, if they finished it, and if they didn't, where they stopped. This is a valuable tool to measure your content's efficacy and engagement. Tovuti also provides blogging tools to help improve your SEO and provide crucial information to your customers and learners. With Tovuti, there is no reason to have a blog platform, a course purchasing app, an analytics engine, and a learning management system. We do all of that and more. Tovuti makes content management zenfully easy.